You have just completed your second week of Prelude. So a couple of high-level things that we want to make sure you understand. We've learned now about intensities and how intensities can be manipulated. So it's something fairly easy, can be made harder by adding weight, by going slower or faster, by maybe moving it from a 2-limb exercise to a single limb exercise. So we want you to understand that you can manipulate these variables yourself, and that you'll also see those variables manipulated in the programming. So intensity is something that we want you to start to understand and get a grasp on early on. Additionally, we are learning about some different positions. So we were introduced to some pails and rails for mobility, and this second week we learned about Eldoa, understanding how a specific position can target a specific part of the body, and you're gonna start to learn how to identify those places in yourself internally. And so this week, we're kind of reintroducing you to yourself if you haven't done this type of training before. Some housekeeping things, we wanna make sure that please do sign up for Open Gym in the Trainer Eyes app. We like to know who's in the building and we want to expect you. Also, please do log your weights, comment on your exercises, ask questions, log your intensities. All of this data is extremely important to us as coaches. We want to make sure that we are making the best decisions moving forward, and we can do that by gathering good data on you. Additionally, when you have questions, it's great for us to be able to see the whole picture, and so we can easily look at the app on our end and have reliable knowledge in order to answer your question the best that we can. And lastly, please take a couple of minutes at the end of your workouts to clean up your workout station. That means just putting your equipment back. Some pieces of equipment have really specific areas in the gym that they belong to, and others just need to be wiped down, like mats and benches and things like that. All of that will be reviewed in the first week, but we would ask that you continue to help us keep this a safe and clean environment for all of our members.